Today I'll be addressing how to replace the radar in your SPEEDCHECK-15 radar speed sign. Ensure the power to this sign has been removed prior to accessing the internal components of the SPEEDCHECK-15. For systems without a power cabinet, locate the power source to isolate. Remove the two socket head cap screws which retain the sign. Tilt and lift up and away the sign from the radar enclosure. Pull up on the retaining tab and remove the polycarbonate window. Remove the right LED board by grabbing the stiffener bars. Pull out, then up, and then fully down to release the right LED board. Gently allow the LED board to rest in place. Open all fuse holders in the sign to ensure no power will feed the system. Disconnect the wiring on the back of the right LED board and remove for easier access to the system. Discard the right LED board from the system. Perform the same steps for the left LED board. Option 1. DR600 Direct Replacement. Remove the hardware securing the DR600 radar to its mount. Remove and discard the radar from the system. Mount the new DR600 and secure with the same hardware from the previous step. Route the cable and attach to the control board. Ensure the notch on the connector faces the ramp when connecting. Option 2. DR500 Replacement. Remove the two nuts securing the radar reflector and discard from the system. Disconnect the radar cable from the control board. Remove the 4 screws on the bottom of the radar and discard from the system. Remove the 3 nuts securing the radar mount and discard from the system. Attach the DR600 to the mount using the supplied screws and washers. Install the mounted radar to the SPEEDCHECK-15 enclosure. Secure with the included nylock nuts. Route the cable and attach to the control board. Ensure the notch on the connector faces the ramp when connecting. Option 3. Decatur SI3 Replacement. Remove the 2 nuts securing the radar reflector and discard from the system. Disconnect the radar cable from the control board. Remove the large mounting bolt on the bottom of the radar and discard the radar module. Remove the 3 mounting nuts and remove the radar mount from the system and discard. Attach the DR600 to the mount using the supplied screws and washers. Install the mounted radar in the SPEEDCHECK-15 enclosure. Secure with the included 4 nylock nuts. Route the cable and attach to the control board. Ensure the notch on the connector faces the ramp when connecting. Reconnect the LED wiring to the left LED display board and reinstall it. Perform the same steps for the right LED board. And close all fuse blocks to the power system before fully installing the right LED board. Align the cutout on the bottom with the sign and reinstall the polycarbonate window. Ensure the glossy side is facing towards traffic. Reconnect power in the cabinet if applicable. Wait for the system to power up. During this time, the LED display boards will also go through a power-up sequence. This is a good opportunity to confirm all of the LED segments are operational. Verify traffic is being picked up by the radar. Reinstall the sign and secure with the 2 fasteners, 1 on each side. For more videos and information, please visit us at support.carmanah.com.